The City of Toledo Division of Environmental Services goal is to ensure environmentally safe air and water for the Toledo metropolitan area and promote high quality of life for all citizens through balanced, responsible environmental protection. The city pursued and was awarded a Section 319 grant in 2021 for a stream restoration project in Hill Ditch as it flows through Bandore Park, located off of Bancross Street, just downstream from the Toledo Botanical Gardens. In addition, the city's involvement in the Maumee Area of Concern Advisory Committee also yielded additional grant funding to enhance aquatic habitat within the project area. As an expansion to the project, the city has also secured H2 Ohio funding from the Ohio Department of Natural Resources. Current conditions in Hill Ditch show severely eroding, steep, and crumbling banks that are almost vertical and exposed, meaning they have very little vegetation holding them in place. As a result, sediment covers the bottom of the stream, making it hard for macroinvertebrates or bugs to live there. These are necessary as fish food. Stormwater is currently routed from the adjacent neighborhood directly into the creek. Runoff caught from roadways can carry contaminants such as oil and grease, pesticides, and fertilizers directly to the stream. A pop-up open house was held at the park in June 2022 to engage the park's neighbors and users. During this open house, a project concept was presented that showed the creation of a vegetated floodplain bench within the stream channel along the southern side, allowing floodwater to drop sediments and nutrients onto the bench instead of flowing out to Lake Erie. The meeting attendees were generally supportive of the project, but many were concerned with the north bank of the stream and how close this bank has been eroding towards Bandore Road. The city took these concerns into consideration and desired to address the erosion problems along the northern bank that not only impact water quality, but threaten public safety. The city successfully secured additional funding to build a more comprehensive project that addressed both stream banks. The city has chosen an alternative design to the project, one that realigns the stream, creates meanders, and installs features such as rock cross veins and log veins, which help direct water flow away from the banks. Additional rock protection will be provided in key areas along the northern bank. Natural materials such as toewood, tree root wads, and live brush layering will be used to stabilize banks. This will also create in-stream habitat for fish, and rock riffles will be reconstructed to improve habitat along the substrate. A constructed wetland will also be installed with native plantings to intercept urban runoff prior to reaching the stream, which helps filter contaminants and improve water quality. In response to the public concern, the city is investigating additional safety measures that may be taken along Bandore Road, which may potentially include a guardrail where the stream has encroached upon the roadway. Safety concerns will be addressed as best possible for the site and will follow after completion of this project. The design phase of the project is almost complete, and permitting has begun in the fall of 2023, with an anticipated construction start in spring 2024. We anticipate the project will improve the habitat within Hill Ditch and make it a great place for fish and macroinvertebrates to be found. You can help us protect the stream habitat by keeping harmful items out of our storm sewers, which drain directly to Hill Ditch. Grass clippings, used oil, pesticides, fertilizers, and other household waste should be disposed of properly and kept out of street drains. If you see items being dumped into drains or the stream directly, you should call the city service Engage Toledo at 419-936-2020 immediately. The city would like to thank the project funding sponsors, the Maumee Area of Concern and Great Lakes Restoration Initiative through the U.S. EPA, the Section 319 program through the Ohio EPA, and the Ohio Department of Natural Resources H2 Ohio program. Please feel free to contact us with any questions. We look forward to the improvement of water quality and thriving stream habitat for the aquatic communities in Hill Ditch and improved usage and safety throughout and around Bandore Park.